What's going on, folks, and welcome back to Beans to Greens. Today is season 1, episode 14 of our Seed to Smoke series, where we're growing Trainwrecks. The gals are about 2 weeks into flower right now, so I wanted to give you a quick update, show you what they've been doing over the past 2 weeks. Also, before we jump into that, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what y'all have growing on inside your gardens. I always love to find out. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and get set up for notifications so you don't miss any new content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop on into this flower tent. All right, folks. So we are about 2 weeks into flower right now. As you can see, the plants are doing really, really well. They are stretching up to the second layer of trellis. You may have noticed that I did install that. I did that a couple days ago because the plants have gotten up to the second trellis layer and beyond in certain cases, but do have, for the most part, a really even canopy. A couple tall branches here and there, but that's to be expected. But yeah, the plants are looking really good. Nice, healthy green, no deficiencies. If anything, they might have just a touch of tip burn on them. So may have underwatered a little bit, but it also could have been that we were just did a nutrient blend with them as well, or dry amendments and top dressed, if you remember on the last episode. Sorry, 2 episodes ago. But needless to say, plants are doing really well. They're praying. They've been drinking about 1.5 gallons to 2 gallons a day. Wanted to let you guys know about that. I still have the light dimmed down to 80%, and it's on the flower spectrum, which it'll remain there for the rest of the grow. I'll probably turn the light up to about 100% after the plants are done stretching, but that'll be about 3 weeks into flower, or 3 weeks after in flower. So, but yeah, I've been keeping it in the low 70s right now. Naturally, it's a little bit cooler in my basement, and then we have made sure to keep the relative humidity. It's been sticking around about 55%. I've been slowly ramping that down from 60 when we initially had these gals put into this flower tent. So everything's doing really well, and stay tuned for further updates. All right, folks, so that's it for today's video. Season 1, episode 14 of our Seed to Smoke series, where we're growing the Trainwrecks. Again, the gals are about 2 weeks in flower. They are in the stretch phase, so they're just growing tall right now. That's what they're focused on. They'll remain in the stretch for about another week until they're past 3 weeks of flower. And then from what I've personally noticed, the plants really start transitioning to thickening up their buds rather than growing in height anymore. So we'll start seeing that transition happen after next week. Make sure you stay tuned in. I really appreciate everybody commenting on the channel and all the likes and all the views. So thanks, everybody. And make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a comment down below if you would, please. And make sure you hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss any future content coming up. But until next time, let's keep growing together.